Arthur and the Pesky Fly. Arthur loved his computer. It was his window to the world, a way to see photos of his grandchildren, read the news, and explore his passion for gardening. He would spend happy hours clicking through pictures of beautiful roses and exotic plants. One afternoon, while admiring a prize-winning dahlia, a little fly suddenly buzzed onto his screen. It wasn't a real fly, but a noisy, flashing box. It blinked and blared, "Warning! Your computer is at risk." The pesky fly, let's call him Buzz, flashed angry red colors. "Click here to scan," it buzzed, showing a big, glowing button. "Call this number for immediate help," it demanded. Buzz just wanted Arthur to react without thinking. Arthur felt his heart beat a little faster. Was his computer really in trouble? Then he remembered a chat he'd had with his granddaughter Lily. "Grandpa," she had said, "sometimes pesky flies show up on the screen. They're just trying to scare you. They're harmless if you don't swat at them." Arthur looked at Buzz with all its flashing lights and scary words. He knew he shouldn't click on any of its buttons or call that number. Buzz wasn't really there to help. It was just a pesky fly trying to cause a fuss. "So what do I do?" Arthur murmured. He remembered Lily's advice about the 2 escape hatches. "First," she had said, "don't click the little X on the fly itself. Look for the big, safe X at the very top corner of the whole window. That's the real one." "The other escape hatch is a keyboard shortcut," Lily had continued. "Find the key that says Alt near your thumb, hold it down, and while you're holding it, press the key labeled F4 feet at the very top. It's a magic command that tells the window to close." Arthur decided to try the magic command. He took a steadying breath, held down the Alt key, and gave the F4 key a firm tap. Poof! Just like that, the whole window vanished, and Buzz the Fly was gone with it. A slow smile spread across Arthur's face. He had handled it. Later, when Lily called, he proudly told her the story. "That's fantastic, Grandpa," she said warmly. "Whether you use the big X or the Alt plus F4 shortcut, you know exactly what to do." Arthur felt confident. He knew the internet was a wonderful place, and now he had 2 trusty tools to handle any pesky flies that might show up. He could go back to exploring his gardens, feeling safe and in control.